Question: how do you make more than 100 friends this summer? See the nation's capital. Meet with your representatives on Capitol Hill. Become one of the leaders of tomorrow. The answer is simple. Take the trip of a lifetime.
We want you on a youth tour.
In 1957, then-Senator Lyndon B. Johnson challenged the nation's youth to visit Washington, D.C. to see for themselves what the American flag truly represents. For 55 years, Missouri's electric cooperatives have answered the call by sponsoring the best and brightest of the Show Me State students to attend the Missouri Youth Tour. Every year, students from around the state write essays, make videos, and give speeches and presentations about their local electric cooperatives and related topics. A panel of judges selects the delegates who go on the all-expenses-paid trip to represent Missouri's youth in the nation's capital.
Youth Tour has opened the door to a lot of new possibilities and a lot of new people I'm excited to meet.
While in D.C., delegates not only learn more about what electric cooperatives do for Missouri, they also learn about leadership opportunities at the national level through NRECA and hear the stories of inspirational speakers. Every year, one delegate from Youth Tour is also selected to the National Youth Leadership Council, where they represent Missouri's young leaders at the YLC Conference and NRECA and AMEC annual meetings. Another highlight for delegates is participating firsthand in the political process by having the opportunity to meet with their elected representatives and ask them questions. They tour the U.S. Capitol and other nearby buildings on Capitol Hill, such as the Supreme Court and Library of Congress. While in D.C., delegates visit one of the nation's most iconic monuments and innovative museums. They also take a peek into the past, touring the grounds of Mount Vernon and paying respects to those who have served and fallen for our freedom at Arlington National Cemetery and many national war memorials are just a few of the experiences that provide attendees with a personal perspective on America's storied history.
Getting the experience to come up here and see everything, talk to our senators and congressmen is very inspiring to me, and I'm super excited about it.
And they don't do it alone or on an empty stomach. Youth Tour delegates connect with thousands of other leaders from across the country, dine out in D.C., and have a lot of fun while doing it. In the course of 1 week, 100 strangers become close friends.
I've met many wonderful people here amongst the Youth Tour trip, and I've had the opportunity to see awesome memorials to make wonderful experiences that I will remember for a lifetime.
Sounds like fun, doesn't it? So what does it take to be part of what Missouri students consider to be truly the trip of a lifetime?
Write that essay.
Make that video. Write that speech. So you can be here next year.
Youth Tour!
Ask your teacher or local rural electric cooperative about this year's project and give it your all. You could be the winner of an all-expenses-paid trip to Washington, D.C. on the Missouri Youth Tour.
Thank you, Boone Electric.